Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is agricultural journalism. Here I am Dr. Amita Kshatriya. So let's proceed towards our first slide. Okay, there is a journalism. So we are going to discuss first of all meaning. Okay, meaning of journalism, definition, and ABC of journalism. So what is this meaning of journalism? The journalism word derived from Latin word means diurnal, daily. Diurnal means daily. It is a derived from Latin word. Then we will see the next, that is the definition of journalism. According to the Webster's Third International Dictionary, journalism is the collection and editing of materials of current interest for presentation, publication, or broadcast. So it is the collection of the material, editing of the material of current interest. Okay, so what are the interest of the peoples for the presentation, publication, or broadcast? That is your journalism. What is ABC of journalism? ABC of journalism or ABC of news, there is a characteristics of the journalism or news: accuracy, brevity, and clarity. Whatever the information is there, it should be the accurate one, it should be the brevity one, and it should be the clear one. Okay, so that is the characteristics of journalism. This is their meaning definition of journalism. Then we are going to see the next slide. What is agriculture journalism or farm journalism? Okay, so there is a different kind of the branch of agriculture journalism is there. So in that branch, one of the branch is agriculture or farm journalism. So it is a specialized branch of journalism which deals with the techniques of receiving, writing, editing, and reporting from information through the media like newspaper, periodicals, radio, TV, or advertising. Okay, so it is a specialized branch of journalism. It's having the different kind of the techniques. Which are techniques are there? Receiving. Receiving means collecting information regarding the agriculture. Any agriculture uh, techniques is there. Any new technology is there. So it collecting the information related to the particular technology. Okay, then write article, story, okay, or preparation of leaflet folder regarding that particular technology. And after writing, editing is there. Editing means what is the initial stage of writing before publishing that particular article or story. Here we can adding or removing the particular words, irrelevant word we can remove, and any other substitute we want to add regard particular word. Then any spelling mistake is there, any references you want to add in a sequence. So like that, all things are done at the editing. Okay, after editing, reporting that particular article, particular news story from information through the media like newspaper, periodicals, means in different magazines, radio, TV, and advertising. Okay, so all these are called as your agriculture or farm journalism. Again, one question is there: when you are this all the news stories, magazine articles, leaflet, pamphlet, bulletin, circular letters, wall newspapers, and radio and script, all these are written or wrote by the extension staff, specialist in that particular agriculture or any other sub branches of agriculture, then any scientist or any progressive farmer. So all these are written, wrote that particular news stories, or particular journalists who are having the knowledge about that particular journalism or particular agriculture. So all this information is given through this all the medium to the farm people or farmers or local people. Okay, so This is your agriculture journalism. Then we are going to discuss the scope of agriculture journalism. There is some scope or some points are under the scope of agriculture journalism. First is employment generation. Second is provide timely information to the farmers or local people. Development of the nation. Next, food security and sufficiency. Next, enhance socio-economic status of local people. Next, decrease disparities among the people. Next, increase educational level among the society. Next, empowerment of the people. So we will discuss one by one what are this scope. Employment generation. So through this journalism, it gives the opportunity of employment to the people by creating the advertisement of the vacancy and any other information related to the employment. So it creates the opportunity to the people. Okay. Then second is provide timely information to the farmers or local people. So you know very well some of the newspapers are there. There is a Agrovan Sakal is there, Lokmat is there, Lok Satta. There is having supplements pages in the Lokmat, Lok Satta. Then again, Deshonati, Kurshi Konnati is there. Any other papers related agriculture paper is there. So all this newspaper or any magazines are there. Bali Raja is, Shetkari Masik is there. Okay, so all these newspaper or magazines give the timely information. Means what? Suppose soybean crop. So soybean crop in that particular season. So what is the cultivation method of soybean crop? What are the techniques used in the soybean crops? So what is the diseases or insect attack on the soybean crop? What are the control measure on that particular disease or insect pest attack? So all this information should be given through this agriculture journalism by newspaper or any magazine. Okay, so all this a timely which is a need based information want by the farmers. Okay, so that is a thing is there. Then development of the nation. How development of the nation is created? How development means what? So it's improvement of the life of people. How this local people, how this local farmer, they develop their life or they increase their production in their farm. How? So there is a lot attention of people towards the coverage. Which kind of the coverage? What are the ideas? What are the policies? What are the programs? What are the activities? What are the events are created or are provided by the government to the farmers? So giving information related to these policies, ideas, project, programs, activities, schemes launched by the government, launched by the agriculture department to the farmer. Okay, so it will be the development of the life of the people and automatically the development of the nation. Okay, so that is the thing is there. Food security and sufficiency. First of all, we should clear the concept of food security. What is the food security? Food security is what? It is the all the people at all the times have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meet their food preferences. Okay, so in short, it is they meet their food preferences at the physical, social, and economic level. Okay, so that is the food security. So to giving the all the information regarding this food security and sufficiency through this agriculture journalism up to the peoples, local peoples. Okay, that is the thing. Then next is enhance socio-economic status. What is the socio-economic status? Mean status is how it will be the increases. Okay, if people getting the timely information regarding the particular technology or regarding the particular crop. Again, they having the information regarding the what are the project, what are the schemes, what are the activities, what are the program launched by the government. Okay, that will be the useful to the farmers. Okay, so automatically they applied on their farm particular technology, so automatically they get the more yield, more profit from that particular technology or from that particular information whatever they adopted on their farm. So it will be the enhance their socio-economic status. Okay, economic status means they increase their income level. Social means they participate in the different development activities, different extension program activities held at their places. Okay, so that is the thing is there. Then next is a decrease disparities among the people. First of all, what is this disparities? What is the meaning of this disparity? Disparities means inequality, inequality, or indifferences between the two noticeable differences between the two people or two things. Okay, two different things. So decrease this disparity is very essential among the people. For example, women, men. Don't be inequality in between the women and men while they working at a same level. Okay, so that should be the means gender equality is a must. Okay, that should be the given information regarding these things through the journalism, agriculture journalism, by the different kind of the medium, through the news channel, through the newspaper, through the different magazines. Okay, by articles. Then increase educational level among the society to aware people regarding the different kind of the things surrounded by them. Okay, educational level. So a particular new technology is there. So what is that particular new technology is there? What is the procedure of that new technology? What is the advantage, disadvantage? Okay, all these things giving the knowledge of that particular technology to the farmer. For example, precision farming. So by writing the articles regarding that particular precision farming, so farmers can get the more information through that article, through that news. Okay, so that is the thing there. So they can increase their educational level. Empowerment of the people. So what is the empowerment? Empowerment is the particular or peoples they can get the information to according to their need and they take the better decision. Okay, how they take the better decision? If they get the proper guidance, proper information. Okay, so automatically they empower, they get the more confidence to take the decision regarding the particular thing. So this is the scope of agriculture journalism. Okay, so next we are going to discuss that is the functions of agriculture journalism. First of all, we are going to enlist the functions: news function, education function, information function, opinion function, entertainment function. News function. So you very well know what is the news. Okay. So what are the things happens around the ourselves to get the coverage of that news. Okay, to getting the information about that particular things happen in our area. So it is a sequence of that event is your news. So to giving the information regarding that events, what are the happened in your local area. Education. I already told in the scope, education means to get giving the particular information regarding the new technology or any new things is happen surrounded to your area. Okay, so that information is a it's a education function. Then information function to aware people regarding the or to give the information regarding that particular new technology. Okay, that is your information function. opinion for function. Opinion means what? People have desirable or undesirable attitude towards the particular object, towards the particular thing, or towards the particular new technology. Okay, so they can take the firm decision regarding the particular new technology to adopt or reject. Okay, so to give the both the side of that particular technology or particular thing, the advantage also, disadvantage also. So they create their thinking level or they create their opinion level regarding to that particular thing or technology. Okay, so it this journalism creates the mental activity in between the in people to take the decision or to make the attitude towards the that particular technology or object. The entertainment function. Okay, so there is a, as you seen the agro one paper, there is a different kind of the section is there. Okay, advertisement section, news section, weather section, entertainment section. There is some of the stories are there, some of the thoughts are there, some of the poems related to the agriculture or anything. So that is to entertain the people as well as to give the information, to give the some message through that. So these are the related to the functions of agricultural journalism. Thank you very much.